Hi, I'm Kaiden from Kaiden's Dinosaur Toys channel. So today I'm introducing, drumroll please, Zoomer Dino Chomplingz. We'll be showing you how to play with these fun interactive toys. First, we're going to turn them on. If you see something right here, that's the switch. Make it so it goes down. Then when his eyes go green, when his eyes go green, you know he's on. First we'll play a game. It's called Catch. Who likes a good game of catch out there? Please leave it in the comments. So first, you take your toy. So first you go to make sure his eyes are purple. His eye right there, make sure that's purple. And then so you have to, right after you make sure his eye's purple, open up his mouth. When his eye is orange, that means he's on catch. So first you take his toy, throw it, then after 5 times he'll start to chew. See how he's chewing? That's how he'll chew. So then, you want to know how he gets mad? Press the back button, hold it down until the eye turns red. Now, so place something so his motion sensors can see it. When you try to grab it, he'll roar at you. To make sure he's friendly when he's in guard mode, hold your hand on his nose. Then when he stops roaring at you, then he knows you're his friend. When he starts to chew at your hand, that's when he's your friend. It's almost like he's kissing you. See it? Right there. See right there? Right here. That's where then to turn it off, so for today I got this pig thing, this Angry Birds thing. Look at him. He's so funny. Here's the Angry Birds thing I got. So now turn this off, and then here's a preview for our next video. Baby stuffies. These cute huggable friends will stay with you no matter wherever you go. They'll stick to your backpack, locker, anything metal. So, bye now.